Aarti Group. A conglomeration of diverse business interests over the years has emerged as an acknowledged industrial force. Aarti's professionally managed industries include steels, textiles, healthcare and entertainment. The group's synergy for steel and textile business is confined to manufacturing of industrial raw materials used for the production of critical auto components in steel and yarn in textile. The group is driven by its desire to excel with continued improved performances. With steel as a major business interest, the Aarti Group started manufacturing carbon, alloy and special steels in 1977. Today it has built up a formidable stature with its flagship company, Aarti Steels Ltd, located in northern India's leading industrial hub, Ludhiana, Punjab, about 300 kilometers from the national capital, New Delhi, holding a pride of place in the steel manufacturing arena. Leading OEMs and auto components manufacturers in India and overseas use products from the stable of Aarti with abundant confidence. Small wonder, the group's meteoric rise over the years comes as a tribute to the unfailing quality of the Aarti products. The company believes that all initiatives for growth and development have to be sustainable and enduring for achieving overall excellence, product enrichment and wide acceptance. Aarti Steels Ltd, a flagship company of Aarti Group, set up its first rolling mill in 1975 and followed it up with a massive program of vertical and horizontal expansion, thereby commissioning wire rod rolling mill in 1982-83, steel wire drawing unit in 1991, tire bead wire unit in 1993 and electric arc furnace and allied setup in 1995. The company's manufacturing facilities for carbon, alloy and special steels conforming to national and international specifications are dedicated to the mini steel plant located in Ludhiana, Punjab, which is equipped with a modern plant deploying the best available technology, recognized for manufacturing such steels and subjected to auto component manufacturing. The infrastructure includes state-of-the-art electric arc furnace, ladle furnace, vacuum degassing, concast machine which is equipped with all sophisticated and modern techniques. Confidence to cast products which are prime and free from harmful defects is further supported by employment of practices like electromagnetic stirrer, snorkel casting from ladle to tundish and tundish to mold. Fleet of swing grinders add to the surface improvement and eradicate imperfection. 3 rolling mills with oil-fired pusher-type preheating furnaces add versatility to the assorted product mix, having configuration of rounds, squares and flats sections. The section range for products is vast and exhaustive, which has been designed to meet the requirements of the customers to its closest extent. The range therefore comprises rounds from 110 mm to 18 mm, round corner squares from 125 mm to 45 mm, flats, spring steels for laminated spring manufacturing as per Telco or Ashok Leyland, alloy steel flats for automotive components manufacturing for two-wheeler industry, wire rods 5.5 mm to 10 mm, wires up to 0.285 mm minimum. Aarti Steel's vacuum degassing plant acquired from Viast Alpine is the lifeline of the process line. It has a 5-stage steam ejector system which reduces hydrogen and oxygen from the liquid steel to improve upon the quality of its products used for manufacturing of critical auto components like rear axle shafts, gears, pinions and crankshafts, etc. This is thanks to the greater demand for better steels in the automotive, construction, rail and defense markets. Adherence to quality in all aspects of business, in products as well as services, has always been a trait with Aarti. Quality assurance, an integral part of continuous process, therefore is set in place right from selection of scrap to basic raw materials, besides adherence to dedicated process design. Monitoring of production activities with instruments like 34-channel spectrometer, oxygen activity measurement devices, and online gas analysis of liquid steel before casting into billets constitute a regular activity with no let-up allowed whatsoever. The products churned out by Aarti meet the strict requirements and expectations of the customers and enjoy preferred buying. The research and development wing is well conceived and has the modern and sophisticated inspection and measuring instruments like image analyzer, zoom stereo microscope, etc., which are employed to ascertain the quality of steel from heat to heat basis. Aarti Steels has been acknowledged as the preferred source of supply of raw material to a large number of OEMs and manufacturers engaged in automotive industry located nationally and offshore as well. The saga of excellence continues in other segments of steel business as well. Steel wires do constitute a mega and high-profile business of the company. Steel wire division was commissioned in the year 1991 for manufacturing wires, that is, high-carbon bronze-coated bead wire, high-carbon and low-carbon ungalvanized steel wires. The unit is fully equipped with latest plant and machinery, besides testing equipments for maintaining and ensuring quality parameters as per national and international standards. Gas-fired patenting furnace with lead bath and 36 payoffs ensures better heat treatment of steel wires and consistency of physical properties. Tire bead coating line with 24 take-ups adds to the strengths in making tire bead product a success story. Tire bead wire for cycle and auto tires is used for reinforcement purposes by the tire manufacturers. Aarti Steels products in wires have found favor as a preferred source for supply of bead wires with industrial giants like MRF Limited, JK Industries, Birla Tyres, Apollo Tyres Limited, Seat Limited, Goodyear India Limited, and other reputed OEMs of tire industry in India. Low-carbon galvanized steel wires are subjected to applications like netting, armoring of cables, mesh wire, etc. High-carbon steel wire ungalvanized and galvanized find application with OEMs like Tata Ficosa, Hilux India, Ramson Industries and Suprajit Engineering, to name a few. However, the zenith has not yet been reached is well understood down the line, and customers are assured of continued supply of prime products. The company's commitment to quality is uncompromising. The strict quality norms at all levels are the result of employing the best of quality management systems to ensure continued upgradation of technology, continuous improvement in process and quality. Aarti Steels Ltd has the best of talent, which forms a team of highly motivated employees. Each department at Aarti is backed by well-qualified and experienced technical personnel dedicated to their respective fields. Realizing its utmost responsibility towards clean environment, Aarti has been careful in creating an eco-friendly environment by setting up fuel extraction system and has taken various other measures towards clean and healthy environment. Driven by the accreditations and accolades earned over the years for overall excellent performance, a Greenfield project, GFP, of Aarti Steels Steel and Power Division has come up in Orissa in the eastern part of the country. The project is prestigious and shall help the company to increase its footage in attaining higher market share for its products in carbon alloy and special steel, for which a niche has been created by the virtue of accredited performance made in the past and confidence of the customer infold. The capacity of the plant will eventually be a whopping 0.5 million tons per annum, with route of manufacturing steel dedicated through mini blast route. The installation of the mega project is in its fastest pace and in line with the overall design of the company with underlying philosophy, that is, to stay competitive in terms of cost. Hence, the defined route for steel making with strong logistical support, besides offering products prime in quality which are technology driven, hence the adequate and the best tie-ups. The company added yet another feather to its cap by setting up Aarti International Ltd and is spinning a new path by embarking on another milestone in textiles. The spinning of cotton yarns through 1,15,000 spindles has added a new chapter to the Aarti Group's checkered journey. The company is a 100% EOU venture with a backup of state-of-the-art technology and professional manpower adept in the art of spinning yarn. With quality, commitment and dedication as its bywords, Aarti Group is all set to tread on a path of progress and prosperity, contributing its bit in making India a land of the future and the fortune.